Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AMRN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Been doing this analysis on a very routine basis, so that is where this red line here is coming from. And I bring that up because, that line of resistance is truly the thorn in the side of the chart here. It's kind of like the annoying brother or sister. Yeah, the price has gotten up above it, on several occasions, but as far as, being able to get the true break, meaning stay up above it, that's where the price has struggled quite a bit. Now, to be fair, and this is, what brings about kind of the focal point for, today's analysis, is the price is actually up above it. That level is at 2050. The price closed at 2062. But this brings about the big question going into tomorrow of, is this a true break? A true break having two parts. The first part is the obvious one. Well, yeah, a price has to first break above a certain level. But the second part is, can the price maintain that level? Can the price stay up above it? Case in point, right here, you can see that 2050 was broken. So step one complete. But when it came to step two, the bullets failed and the price fell back below. Once again, right there, step one was complete. The price broke above the level. However, when it came to staying up above it, maintaining it, that level failed once again and back down it went. And now, once again, step one has been completed. But the big question going into tomorrow is, can the price stay up above $20.50? Now, I don't want to come across like this is some sort of great discovery on my part. Anybody that uses charts, understands charts, is wondering the same exact thing. So this by no means is some epic discovery on my part. I don't want to make it appear like that at all. My point here is that a lot of people are watching and wondering this very same thing. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls back below 2050, does that mean the entire chart is ruined? Absolutely not. I mean, from the big picture point of view, it's still very clear that the overall trend is still, in the upwards direction. But there's just such a big history of this 2050 area acting as resistance, where those times the price couldn't quite get above it, but as already established, a couple of times there, got above it, rejected by it right there, and then as we just talked about, the price is still now up above it. So is this the start of the bigger breakout, or is that line going to start acting like the annoying brother and sister again? Only time will tell, but we'll see tomorrow. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.